Hi there. Here's a quick video on how to set up Knit MCP server on Claude web app. So what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, and under settings need to go to profile, and once you're there, scroll down to the integrations section, click on add more. This is where you can add custom MCP servers. Give it a name. I'll give it Knit MCP, and then give the integration URL. Its integration URL is so this is the integration URL. Now I'll just click on add. So now we can click on connect. When you click on connect, you'll be redirected to this screen where you can enter the MCP token you would have received in an offline manner. Once you put in the token, you can click on approve, and yep, that is it. The integration is ready. We'll just quickly check everything is working as expected. You should see a disconnect here, which means the CP server is connected. You can see the tools here, and you can set up things the way you want here. Right now, let's quickly check in a chat. This is working as expected. As you can see, Knit MCP is here. Tools are all here. Let's just check integration status. Perfect. So things are working as expected. Hope that helps you in setting up Knit MCP on Cloud Web. All right. Bye. Take care.